Street lights flicker in the quiet night. Memories fall like the tears I fight. Every drop whispers your name, but you're not here, it's not the same. I thought we'd last like the stars above, but silence answers what we called love. Now I'm alone in the rain, drowning in echoes and pain. The shadows dancing down the lane, but you're gone and I remain just alone in the rain. Footsteps fade on this empty street, still feel the rhythm of your heartbeat. Time moved on, but I'm still there, and that goodbye you didn't share. I reach for you in the pouring gray, but you've already walked away. Now I'm alone in the rain, drowning in echoes and pain. The shadows dancing down the lane, but you're gone and I remain just alone in the rain, but you're gone in the rain, in the rain. Maybe the storm will wash you clear, but I still feel you whisper near. In every drop that hits the ground, it's your silence I have found. Still alone in the rain, caught in the ghost of your name.